All right. See, we had another pretty interesting day. Making a higher low right now from the grind. Underlining tone had to be 50%. I thought it might have broken down, but again, we're in the shit, like I said before, so you got to be really cautious. I posted something today, basically on the 15-minute, that I said that we had to hold this level. I think we had support at like 49 and yeah, around 49. No, was it 49? Around that, around this area. Okay, because we had it tested this area. Let's say 47. And again, keep me honest here. You could go look at my Twitter feed, or you can look at my Stocktwits feed. And I said it's either going to break down and hit near these lows, or we're going to break above this 160 to see if the bulls are really going to be charging ahead. Again, don't worry about this right here. This is just probably just short covering or something like that. But again, it's looking better for the upside for the bulls aspect of it. Again, I don't trade breakouts, so I don't need it to get above here. Again, I was just trying to say, like, listen, we're still in this range. So again, if you say, I still don't know what's going on, I don't want to have just one day, just wait. Just wait. And again, if it breaks out above, it definitely goes to take out this highs. Again, you don't have to trade this thing if you feel uncomfortable. We go into the NQ futures as well. We can see this one looks same thing, given a higher low. I would prefer to get out of this first, out of this, and then come and then give me a pullback, and then I could go into new highs versus taking this, and every single time you try to break out, you kind of got squeezed when you were doing this type of stuff. So let's say you took this, you got squeezed. You took maybe this, I don't know, people take crazy stuff, but again, it could just come back a little bit, and that's all they need to squeeze out a lot of these people that just trade breakouts. Again, if you're going to do that, you better put your stop accordingly. YM, same things, grinds above here, underlying tone, didn't know where it's going to go, and still don't know where it's going to go, quite honestly. So again, if you feel like we're still in the crap, which it could be, you just stay cautious. You got IWM giving a little bit better sign. Again, hopefully you could break above these highs and break then this high, not this high, this high of today, and then continue to the upside to go to new highs. Diamond, again, some diamond names which I'll show you. Some look good, some didn't look good. Some, it doesn't take much for this stuff to move up. So since we're on that, we can talk about Boeing. That one kind of stayed flat. You got CME, which has been, that's just been on fire, quite honestly. Just going. You got Home Depot, and again, it only takes a little bit for them to get, excuse me, to make the Dow move a lot of points. You had Visa pull back a little bit, I think, but still okay. I had Procter & Gamble, which didn't move much today, so that's a good sign for me, hopefully. Again, I'm in the money, and I'll just probably roll my stop to break even. And I had Amex, which is going against me currently. I have my stop around 86.50, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully there's lower volume and I could get a break of this low. I have CLR. That one's moving down. Again, I would probably just roll my stop down a little bit because I've been in it for a couple of days. I've been in it for like 4 days and it hasn't moved, so I'm just gonna put my stop at break even. And I have USO, which is performing well. Again, USO, I don't see why people are trying to guess the top of crude, or saying, excuse me, the low of crude, because you would have been doing that all through here, 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 here. 1, 2, 3 from the high, break up, lower volume. All you need to do is continue down low, which I think it's going to. The one for today is Apple. Again, I did not say to go short. I said I had a turn cycle of a turn date of basically February 2nd, so that could be, it's usually plus or minus 2 days. So again, it's coming in here. I usually like to sell into strength. So again, if I missed out this, that's fine. If you're still in this, then you just keep rolling your stop. And again, the only reason why I didn't take this is because I don't mess with earnings. And if I put it here, I wouldn't like to just put my stop right underneath here because I don't trade breakouts. Google, don't let one day fool you. We still have to see what's going on regarding this stock, because we're still below 50% for the bigger swings. So we have to see at least capture that before we start looking for any longs. My personal opinion for that one. You have price line moved up pretty well today. Again, where is the trend, my friend? Where is the trend? And it's for months now, since last year. It's pretty much, you can see these lower highs are put in place, and just respect them. I mean, why would you go against them? You got here, 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 with lower highs to match. So again, this is still in a downtrend. Don't let one day get you all excited. Bank of America is at a pivotal place, so let me show you why. So we have from these highs, I do the same simple shit. Go from here down, and it still hasn't broken above the 50% retrace. So again, that might be a good place to go short if you're looking to go short this name. Again, a break below, which it hasn't done. Volume dried up yesterday. If it breaks this low, maybe it's more of a short per se, because it hasn't at least gotten above that 50%. Goldman Sachs is tapping that 50% right now. So again, maybe you just wait for a better setup, but I wouldn't just be going long, and especially not going long after you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days up from a low. Come on, you got to be smarter than that. So again, we'll see how this one plays out. The ES, the futures don't lie, so the futures are looking a lot better right now to the bull side. So we'll see how this one pans out. Take care.